Hello, I'm Ismail Mohammed. Welcome again in our solving section in mathematics for Form 2 topics. And today we will look on the question on congruence and similarity. Let's start with the first question. The first question says, in figure below, find the angle represented by x. We have this figure. We have to find the value of angle x. To find the value of x, we have first to find this angle to simplify our task. So let's start. We have figure like this. Here we have angle 98. Here D, P, and this one is X. So let's start. Let's first find this angle. Let this angle be Y. So Y plus 98 is equal to 1/8. Why? Because straight angle, therefore Y is equal to 180 minus 98, which is equal to 82. So we have the angle Y. But also, if we look carefully here, we find that we have this figure like Z. It means that this angle and this one are equal. So here is also is equal to Y, because always write it by another letter. Let's here we have T. So also Y is equal to T alternate interior angle. Therefore, T is also equal to 82. Also, from our figure here, we have this isosceles triangle. This means that this angle and this angle are the same. If here we put angle N, therefore Y is equal to N, because isosceles triangle. Therefore, N is also equal to 82. Now we have the value of N, value of T. Let's now find the value of X. So T plus N plus X is equal to 180, because straight angle. The sum of this angle is equal to 180. But we have the value of T, which is equal to 82. The value of N is equal to 82. Now we can find the value of X. Here we get 164 plus X is equal to 180. Now X is equal to 180 minus 164, which is equal to 16. And therefore the value of X is equal to 16. Let's now move to question 1b. From the figure below, prove that triangle ADB, this triangle, and the triangle is congruent to triangle CDB, this one. We have to prove that this one and this one are congruent. So we have A, B, D, so from these two triangles, this one and this one, AD is equal to, length AD, this length is equal to length CD. Why? Given here, these signs mean that they are equal. So here AD is equal to CD given, and also AB is equal to CB. Also you are given that AB is equal to CB. AB is equal to CB given, and also we have common axis BD for both triangle. So also BD is equal to BD, this is common, and therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. Relation side. There all sides are equal. Let's now move to the second question. Use the figure below to prove that triangle CAN, this triangle CAN, is congruent to triangle ABM. Also we have triangle ABM. Hence find B, the line BP, given that MP is equal to NP is equal to 7 and CP is equal to 10 centimeter and X is equal to 20. So we have first to prove that these triangles are congruent. So here A, N, B, M, P, C, and here you have X. So we have to prove that this triangle is equal to this one. We have, if we draw a rough sketch, we have this triangle A, C, N, and also we have this triangle A, B, M. So from these two triangles, we see that angle A, from the two triangles, we see that angle A, C, N, this angle, and here this one is equal to angle M is equal to angle ABM. ABM, this one. This angle is equal to this angle. From here, this one is equal to this one. This is given. And also here, we see that angle CAN, this angle is common for both two triangles, this one and this one. So here also, angle CAN, for this triangle CAN, this one is equal to the angle BAM for the second triangle, BAM, and this is common. This is a common angle for both triangle. And also NC is equal to MB. The line NC is equal to line MB. This is given from our question here. Line MB is equal to line NC. Line MB is equal to line NC. This line is equal to this line. This is also given. and therefore we conclude that the triangle ABM and the triangle ACN are congruent because angle, side, angle, and side. Also, the question says, given that MP is equal to NP, MP is equal to NP, and also is equal to 7, and CP is equal to 10, and this one is equal to 10, and X is equal to 20, we have to find BP. We have to find the length BP if given that MP is equal to NP is equal to 7 and CP is equal to 10. So let's find the length BP. Now, from our figure, from this figure, A, N, B, P, M, C. So let's take the two triangle CMP and the triangle BNP. This triangle and this triangle, so that if they are congruent, we can prove that BP, we can find the value of BP. So let's prove that the two triangles are congruent. So let's start. We have M, C, and P, and we have so from our figure here, we see that this angle are the same because vertical opposite angle. So we can write here angle MPC is equal to angle NPB because vertical opposite angle. These angles are the same. This one and this one. Also, we see that also this angle are the same. This one and this one. So also angle MCP is equal to angle NPB. This is given. So let's finish with the last reason. Also, given that MP is equal to NP, NP is equal to NP, and this is also given. From our question, we are given that MP is equal to NP here, NP is equal to NP. This one, NP is equal to NP. And now we conclude that triangle CMP and triangle BNP are congruent because angle, side. From now here, we can write that the length CP is equal to length BP, which is also is equal to length CP is equal to length BP from definition of congruence triangle. From definition of congruence triangle. If the two triangles are congruent, means that their corresponding sides are equal. So from here, length CP is equal to length BP. This length and this length are equal. and therefore we have the value of CP. CP is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore, length BP is equal to 10 centimeter. Let's now move to the third question. The third question says, in figure below, length AB is equal to length AC. This length is equal to this length. If CN and BM are perpendicular, this one, BM and CN, they are perpendicular bisectors, prove that BM is equal to CN. They are perpendicular bisector, prove that BM is equal to CN. We have to proving that this length BM is equal to this length CN. So how we can prove? We have to prove that this length BM is equal to length CN. So first, let's consider the two triangle, the two triangle BM, this one, BMC, and the triangle CNB. Triangle BMC and triangle CNB. CNB and BMC. So let's first prove that these triangles are congruent. Then we can be able to prove that length BM is equal to length CN. From our figure here, angle B and C is equal to angle CMB. Angle B and C, this angle, this one, is equal to angle CMB, this one. Because they are perpendicular bisector, so here we have 90 degree. And here we have both are 90. They bisect the line in 90 degree. So angle B and C is equal to angle CMB. And also the length BC is equal to the length BC. This is a common length for both two triangles. So length BC is equal to length BC, and this is common. Both triangles have length BC. And also length BN is equal to length CM. This one, length BN, this length is equal to the length CN, length CM. Why? This because we have right angle triangle and the hypotenuse sides are equal and both have 90 degree here. It means that this side must be equal. And therefore, triangle BMC and CNB are congruent. Then from definition of congruence, we can state that length BM is equal to length CN. From definition of congruence triangle. From here, if these two triangles are congruent, these two triangles, then this line for this triangle and this line for this triangle must be equal. As for this line equal and this one is equal and also this line are equal, therefore this line and this line must also be equal. So we have proving that the length BM and length CN are equal. And this is the end of our solving in topic of congruence and similarity. So see you next time. Goodbye.